So, good morning everyone. My name is Mr.Bellic and you are watching Bellic Robotics. So, in today's video, we are going to cover a new topic in data science series, which is data reduction. Data reduction is our last topic in data preprocessing series. In data preprocessing, we have covered data cleaning, data integration, data transformation, and now we are going to do data reduction. We will not make any separate video on data discretization as we already covered that in data transformation. This is our last video in data preprocessing pipeline. After that, we will jump to the EDA or exploratory data analysis. So, without wasting much time, let's jump onto the video. Okay, so what is data reduction? Data reduction is nothing else, just reducing the data. Like this Superman or this super person is killing the data or is like separating data in two halves. Okay, jokes apart, data reduction is a process where we process the data to reduce the volume of data either by compressing it or eliminating the irrelevant part. So data reduction have three major parts. Means if we are doing data reduction, it should do these three things. It should reduce volume or dimensionality. It should maintain integrity. Means there should not difference in the original data and the afterward data. It's like what we are visualizing or what we are gaining from the data, what the knowledge we are gaining from the data should be same. And third is the improve the performance. The it data which we make after data reduction should improve the performance of our all the modeling models. Okay, so now what is the type of data reduction? There are majorly three types of data reduction. First is dimensionality reduction. In dimensionality reduction, what we do is just we lower the number of columns or is like features in our data sets. Like we have a data set of the housing data, and here we have data of the age of the house and the year house was made. So here we can eliminate one of the target column, sorry, one of the columns, as the age of the house also tell us the same thing, and the year the house was made also says the same thing. So we can easily remove the age of the house. Okay, we will see this in depth and like we will code of this in the section where we will do the feature engineering. Here after the EDA we have set the feature engineering in the pipeline. So after EDA we will do feature engineering. All feature engineering is about the dimensionality reduction of data. Okay, so this is one of the example that we are reducing the columns or we are reducing the image from RGB to grayscale. That also the reduction of data dimensionality. Numerosity reduction. In numerosity reduction, we don't reduct the features, but we reduce the numbers of rows or number of quantity. Like we have several rows in our data set. It's like housing data set only. We have several rows, but they all are duplicate of each other. So we can reduce those. Or there are our data set where there are some things which have all the features are in common. So we can is like make a uh, sample, or it's like we can make a cluster of them using k-means or other techniques. So this is numerosity reduction, which we are going to cover in machine learning playlist, where we will have 3 or 4 videos on these topics, and we will do code and do other things in like much detail. After that, we have the last but not the least, data compression. Data compression is not the scope of this data science playlist, but maybe in future I use data compression and it's like I put a video whole on this topic. But for now, Data compression only means that we are reducing the size of data or compressing it, like we are making zip file so that we can give it to our friend, as it reduce the size of our image without without losing the data. Okay, so what is the use case of a data set? There are majorly three use case. One is when we reduce the data, it take less time to train the model, or is like interference the model. It improve the accuracy as data become more simpler, and it saved the space in the hard disk. So this was all about data reduction. With this, we have completed our data pre-processing pipeline. So we have done two things in data collection and now data pre-processing. Now we are going to do what is ED or exploratory data analysis from the next video. So I hope you understand all the topics in these data pre-processing playlist. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and keep supporting me as I continuously grow with you. And bye bye. I think that's all for today's video. Bye.